Hello, I'm Luca Giorgi from Powersoft, the Pro Audio Business Unit Manager, and I'm here at Prolight Sound 2014 in Frankfurt for a big event, or let's say another event from Powersoft to innovate, to bring innovation technology to the audio industry. We launched today one new series called X Series, which consists of two models, one 8 channels and one 4 channels, X8 and X4, that we consider another step along the innovation path in audio amplification, because we consider this an all-in-one tool that is completely replacing a typical rec touring configuration. And the reason for this is that the amplifier integrates in itself a power distro, a patch bay unit, and a powerful processing and amplification platform. This is the 6th generation of power supply, switch mode power supply, that Powersoft is bringing to the market. And this time we probably exceed even our expectation, our own expectations. In fact, we can say that this is a truly universal power supply, because essentially it can work in single phase, dual phase, 3-phase, in delta or star configuration, independently from what the mains what kind of mains is available. In fact, the power supply can adapt itself to any conditions. For example, a typical example is you are using a 3-phase connection and you lose the neutral line. In that case, the amplifier will simply consider this event and will continue working in the same way. The typical input acceptance of the amplifier is enormous and is adding another level of flexibility, because you have 8 analog input, 4 stereo digital AES-3 inputs, and then you have 2 Dante streams. All these inputs can be handled by an internal matrix that can not only select which channel, but also mix among different inputs and then forward the result of this operation to any output, including one of the Dante stream that can be used as an input for other amplifier. So essentially you are completely replacing a patching unit in this case. In terms of power, it is a typical Class D output stage, and each channel can provide 5,200 watt per channel into 2 ohm, or 3,000 watt per channel into 4 ohm, and each couple of channels is bridgeable. So again, it's a level of power that can allow the user to drive whatever PA it can have available in a very flexible way. There is a big processing unit that is ready and prepared for future application. For example, application tools for taking into account the interaction between the PA and the environment, which means, for example, reverberation tools, reflection, absorbing the reflection from the venue, these kind of things that maybe nowadays we cannot even think. But obviously, in our mind, this is the platform that will represent the future for the next 10, 15 years. And so we had to put inside something that is future-proof. Thank you very much.